Okay, the first thing I, Bob Hill, want to do is to deposit $60 cash into my checking account, into my savings account. Okay, and so here's my account number, and we're not going to do customer lookup right now. We'll just do whatever you think you should do to get that account pulled up and to put $60 into it.
Okay.
And as Brad said, it helps him if you kind of think out loud what you're doing, and I'm very bad at reminding you to do that. So.
Is there a calculator mode here that I could add?
It's not functional today. There is, however, there is a calculator which you would click there to get. That's a calculator. There also is a traditional teller's cash counter that counts by denomination.
Okay, but there's no like hotkey you can press to get.
There is a hotkey to do that, but it don't work.
Okay.
The hotkey is F8.
Yeah. Okay, because it's a good thing. I think you need a hotkey to.
It's F8 or the / key, but that doesn't work either.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so you can click it again. Now, you zipped right through that, so why don't you tell me a little bit about what your thought process was and what you noticed happening?
I would rather have the transaction one up there.
Above cash in? Okay.
Because on our deposit slips, we look at the bottom first, and then we put the cash in. We don't pay attention to checks. I think having the transaction up there and then doing the cash in.
Okay.
The cash. We don't do checks. Well, we don't do checks in, so I guess some banks.
Okay.
But doing that above, I think, would be better than doing it below.
That's a good point. As I understand it, when you do checks in, it's analogous to somebody using an ATM machine. You take them in as cash, and then they get resolved in the next 24 hours or however long it takes, invalidated.
We don't care like if they have a deposit, how much checks are in there.
So you just count them up as if they're cash in the same way that you count.
No, we don't count them at all. I mean, like if you bring a deposit and that's $6 in cash and 15 checks, we don't really care what those 15 checks are made of. I mean, we don't check the amounts or anything. We just assume they're there in the proof department.
Right. That's what I'm saying. The proof. I verify. I should have said the proof department. And so how it could take 24 or 48 hours, however fast they do it.
Yeah.
And that's just like you're using an ATM because it.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. I have this savings bond that I would like to redeem, and I'd like to deposit that into my checking account.
Okay.
So I'll give you a hint.
Please do. Something over on the side here?
It's going to be the transaction screen. But, however, first, go to the transaction screen, which is the button right there.
This one? Okay. Redemption. Okay.
And I'm willing to just pretend that you don't want to fill all that in on the top, but yeah, okay, go ahead. Just do it like you would really do it. And here's a deposit slip, just so you can get the information from it. Oh, is it on there? Okay, yeah.
If it's the right one, Main Street.
Yeah.
Have to have the right address.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we got West Hills. You're zipping through this stuff. This is going to be done in no time. It's just,
Okay, Tim. Actually, that shouldn't have gone in there. It should have gone on the social security, or what?
Well,
Where
no,
is
you're
the-
right. There's a,
Oh,
the tin can be either, and I'm told that tin is, if it's a social security number, it technically is not a tin, but in the way
Right.
we use it, we use it as if it is.
oh, there's asking you what type in.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, so now